Hello students, good morning. Now today we discuss another example in logarithm. So example number 1. If log x multiple log 16 by log 32 is equal to log 256, then find the value of x. Now solution. Here given log x multiple log 16 by log 32 is equal to log 256. Then find the value of x. X ની કિંમત મેળવો. So here given log x multiple log 16 by log 32 is equal to log 256. This type example in your workbook. So now complete to this type workbook in this type example in your workbook. Now here first log 16, then we first factor of 16. 16 ना अवयव 2 8 जा 16, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4 and 2 2 जा 1. So here 16 factor is a 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3 and 4. Now 1 time 2 time 3 time and 4 time 2 is a 4 time, then 16 factor is a 2 raised to 4. Similarly factor of 32, now 2 then 16 2 is a 32, now 2 8 2 4 is a 8, 2 2 is a 4 and 2 2 is a 1. Now 32's factor is 1 2 3 4 5, that is 4 times or 5 times. Now factor of 256, factor of 256 2, then 128 to the 256, 128 divided by 2, then 64, 64 divided by 2 32, 32 divided by 2 16, 16 divided by 2 8, divided by 2 4, divided by 2 2 and divided by 2, that is 1. Now 256 factor is 1 time 2 time 3 time 4 time 5 time 6 time 7 time and 8 time, 2 raised to 8. So first we write log x multiple log factor of 16 2 raised to 4 log 32, then log factor of 32 2 raised to 5. So here 2 raised to 5 log factor of 256, then 2 raised to 8, so 2 raised to 8. Okay. Now again again our formula of power. So power formula is a log x raised to n that is equal to n log x. So here x is equal to 2 log 2 4 base 2. X is equal to 2, n is equal to 4. Then n in multiple in log, then 4 in multiple log, 4 log 2. Similarly, log 5 base 2. Now here x is equal to 2, n is equal to 5, n in multiple log, then 5 in multiple log, 5 log 2. Similarly, log 8 base 2. Here x is equal to 2, n is equal to 8, n in multiple, then 8 in multiple, so 8 log 2. So again write me log x multiple log 2 raised to 4, then 4 log 2 by log 5 base 2, 5 base 2, then 5 log 2 is equal to 8 base 2, then 8 log 2, 8 log 2. Clear? Okay. Now again, here because log x, n base x is equal to n log x. Now log 2 and log 2 same and cut. So 4 by 5 log x. Log x multiple 4 by 5, that is equal to 8 log 2. That is equal to 8 log 2. Now here 5 is divided, so other side in multiply. So log x is equal to 8 multiple 5, and 4 is multiple, then other side is divide by 4 log 2. 4 2s are 8. Now 2 multiple 5. So log x is equal to 2 multiple 5 log 2. But 2 multiple 5, that is equal to 5 2s are 10. So log x is equal to 10 log 2. 10 log 2. But now we know that n log x is equal to log x base n. Our formula. So here 10 log 2, n is equal to 10, x is equal to 2. So here log x, value of x 2, value of n 10, 10 base 2. Similarly process here log x is equal to log 10 base 2, because of n log x is equal to log n base x. Now 2 raised to 10, 2 raised to, first remove 2 side in log, so x is equal to 2 raised to 10. Now 2 raised to 10, then 2 raised to 10, then 2 is a multiple 10 time, 10 time multiple, then 10 time multiple 2, 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 2 is 64, 2 is 200, 64, 2 is 182, 264, 5, 112 and 1024. So x is equal to 1024 24 your answer. So x is equal to 1024. Now this type example in your workbook, solve the equation. So complete to your workbook in this type example. Do not purchase to you your workbook, so immediately purchase to workbook in college time. Okay. Now again example in logarithm. If 4 log 3 multiple log x by log 9 is equal to log 27, then find the value of x. Similarly example in again example, previous example. Here 4 log 3 multiple log x by log 9 is equal to log 27 is given. So given 4 log 3 multiple log x by log 9 is equal to log 27. Here first log 9, then 9 factor. 9 divided by 2? No. 9 divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 1 3s are 3. So that is equal to 9 factor 3 multiple 3, that is equal to 3 square. So we write 4 log x 4 log 3 multiple log x by log 9 is a 3 square. So here 3 square is equal to log 27. Now here log n by dx is equal to n log x. Now here x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Now n is multiple in log, so 2 is multiple in log, 2 log 3. So here 4 log 3 multiple log x by log 2 basic 3 is equal to 2 log 3. So 2 log 3 is equal to log 27 because of log n by dx is equal to n log x. Now here log 3 and log 3 cut. So here 4 by 2, 2 to the 4. Now 2 log x is equal to log 27. Same example, 2 log x is equal to log 27. Now 2 log x is equal to 27. 2 is multiple inside, so other side in divide. So log x is equal to 1 by 2 log 27. Log x is equal to 1 by 2 in multiple, then log n go to power. So log 27 raised to 1 by 2. Now 27 is a 3 multiple 3 multiple 3. That is 3 cube. And 3 cube is equal to 3 square multiple 3. So first we write log x is equal to log 3 cube raised to 1 by 2. So remove log 2 side, x is equal to 3 square multiple 3 raised to 1 by 2, because of 3 cube is equal to 3 square multiple 3. So x is equal to 3 square raised to 1 by 2 multiple 3 raised to 1 by 2. Then 2 is got. So x is equal to 3 raised to 1, that is 3 multiple 3 raised to 1 by 2 is the square root of 3. So x is equal to 3 under root 3 is our answer. Similarly, example, first example and second example in your workbook, complete to now. Okay. Again, example in logarithm. If 2 log x base 5 plus log 9 base 5 by log 3x base 5 is equal to log x base 5, then find the value of x. Here given 2 log x base 5 plus log 9 base 5 by log 3x base 5 is equal to log x base 5. Then find the value of x. So first we write down given 2 log x base 5 plus log 9 base 5 by log 3x base 5 is equal to log x base 5. Now first n log a is equal to log n base a, n multiple then go to power. Similarly 2 log x base 5, then 2 in multiple log, then 2 in go to power, log x square base 5. So we write log x square base 5 plus log 9 base 5 by log 3x base 5 is equal to log x base 5. Now log 5 is common in numerator. So log 5 is common in numerator. So our formula log a plus log b. Log common a multiple b. Similarly here log 5 common, then x square multiple 9 by log 3x base 5 is equal to log x base 5. Now here 9 is equal to 3 square. So we again write log 3x whole square base 5 by log 3x base 5 is equal to log x base 5. Now again, here log 3x square base 5, then 2 is in power, so 2 is in go for multiple. Now here log 3x square base 5 upon log 3x by 5 is equal to log x base 5. 2 is in power, then go for multiple. So 2 log 3x base 5 by log 3x base 5 is equal to log x base 5. Log 3x base 5 is same, then cut. So here log x base 5 is equal to 2. Our formula log b base a is equal to n, that is equal to b raised to m is equal to, that is equal to b is equal to a raised to n. Similarly here log x base 5 is equal to 2, e is equal to 2, b is equal to x, so here x, a is equal to 5 and m is equal to 2, then x raised to x is equal to 5 square. Now 5 square is equal to 5 multiple 5, then x is equal to 24. Here our answer, x is equal to 24. Similarly example in your workbook. So now complete to your workbook and do not purchase to you, then immediately purchase in college time, in college. Okay.